also going across to Mumbai to see what's the situation today morning after it was put on high alert when school students spotted some suspicious people carrying arms, according to them, in Navi Mumbai. High alert has been declared along Mumbai's coastal area, Uran, where 2 school children reported suspicious activities. They saw 5 masked men with guns. Now, this is the sketch that has been released by the agencies. They have prepared the sketch depending on the school children's description. A girl studying in 10th standard and a boy of 9th standard helped the cops release these 2 sketches of the suspects late on Thursday night. The cops have launched a massive manhunt and have circulated the pictures all across the state, including informers and investigative agencies. Police personnel have been deployed in huge numbers across the state and security has been beefed up. My colleague Mustafa joins us today morning to give us latest details on the situation. Mustafa, what's the update that you're getting from your sources within the naval forces as well, and whether these suspects have been any details that are coming in, that how close we are to nabbing these suspects?
At this point of time, the agencies have not given confirmation that there are suspects which they are on the lookout for. But what makes it important is that the spotting where it has happened, where the school children have seen these suspects, it's very near to the sea and INS Abhimanyu. So that's why the Indian Navy was put on high alert. After that, there must be some general alert from the Intelligence Bureau. That's why the National Security Guard and Force 1 of Mumbai has been kept on alert. So the security checks and combing operations are being going on as part of the national threats which the country is facing at this point of time. But there are no specifics as to what they have found till yesterday and the search operations has taken place. But he said that the search operations are still on. They have not stopped looking for these suspects. The city, Mumbai city, Navi Mumbai, Uran area still remains on high alert. The school from which these children belong, who are the eyewitness who had seen these suspects, that school has declared a holiday today. The school has kept shut for security reasons. So all prevention is being taken, but where these people were seen is strategically important for the defense forces, and that's why all these precautions are being taken ahead.
The city,
and
Mustafa?
we don't know as of now
Mustafa, how's the security beefed up across the city? And we're also getting reports that the NSG and the Navy have joined hands as well to ensure that key defense installations are secure.
Yes, the first question you asked, that how the securities have been beefed up. All the local police stations have been kept on alert. All the vital installations and entry-exit points to the city are kept under strict checks. If you come to see this village of Uran, you also see that there are soldiers standing with AK-47, which is not a normal scenario for a village. So all these preventions are being taken in terms of keeping the security under check. NSG and Force 1, as I told you earlier also, that they have been kept on alert. The forces have reached Mumbai and Uran, but at this point of time we have till now not seen them taking part in the combing operations.
All right, Mustafa, be with me. Let me go across to my colleague Jugal also, who's been following the defense beat very closely. Now, Jugal, this is the highest alert which has been sounded after 26/11 in Mumbai, isn't it? So what will be now the security measures protocol that will be put in place? This is the second day, as Mustafa told us, the suspects still are at large. No confirmation coming in, but sketches have been released depending on the school children's version.
That's right, Devina. As we are aware, Mumbai is the headquarters of Indian Navy's main command. That's the Western Naval Command. It houses submarines, it houses aircraft carrier, it houses several of important ships' assets. What is important in Uran, which is across the harbour in Mumbai, on the eastern side of the city, of the island city, is that it actually houses the training and setup base for the Marine Commandos, the Marcos, which are the special forces of the Indian Navy. and that's the reason why the Navy is, of course, extremely alert towards a scenario like this. Any input, even if it is by someone who is not identified, in this case, of course, school children have come out to say that they've seen people, but even if unidentified and only through phone calls, this is the modus operandi which goes into action. Having said that, Devina, let me also share that this is not the first time that an incident like this, a report like this has come to the fore. A year or so ago, we had seen a scenario where locals had reported somewhere around this area in the Raigad district that they had seen men with arms moving around. A huge operation was launched about a year ago. The several agencies, the ATS, police, everyone was involved. The Navy was involved. It turned out to be that they were local hunters who were then detected.
Okay.
So it could very well turn out to be a scenario of that type, or perhaps a rumor altogether, but cannot be taken a chance at this point in time. And that's the reason why we are seeing this kind of reaction. The NSD, Force One, everyone being out, and villages, as Mustafa was saying, witnessing men with AK-47s.
All right, Jugal, thanks for joining us. Of course, it is all precautions being taken by the armed forces at this stage, specifically after the Pakistan stretch was brought in Uri. Nothing being left to chance. We'll continue following the latest updates that are coming in from Mumbai.